In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to rearrange products in Wix stores. If you want certain items to appear first in your storefront, like best sellers, seasonal picks, or new arrivals, Wix makes it simple to control the order. Will work entirely inside your Wix dashboard, and by the end, your products will display exactly how you want customers to see them. Start by opening your Wix home dashboard for the site you want to edit. If you manage multiple sites, double check you're in the correct one before making changes. From the left-hand menu, open the catalog section. This is where your products and store structure live. If the menu is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the Wix store's options. Next, move into the categories area. Product order is controlled per category, so this is the right place to adjust how items appear. You'll see a list of categories your store uses. Open the All Products category to view everything at once. You can do the same process inside any specific category later if you prefer to fine-tune a particular collection. If an item doesn't appear here or inside a category, it likely means it hasn't been assigned to that category yet. Now, let's rearrange. Hover over a product in the list, click and hold to grab it, then drag it up or down. As you move it, you'll see a marker showing where it will land. Drop it into place and continue until your priority items are at the top and everything else is in the order you want. This custom order determines how products appear in that category when your storefront is set to use manual or custom sorting. A quick tip: plan a simple logic, like placing high converting or time sensitive items first, then supporting products below. Consistent ordering helps customers find what they need faster. When you're satisfied with the arrangement, click Save. Wait for the confirmation so your changes are stored. If you navigate away before saving, the order will revert. After saving, give your storefront a refresh to preview the new sequence. If you don't see the changes on your live page, your product gallery might be using an automatic sort, like by price or newest. In that case, switch it to respect your manual order and refresh again. That's it. You've opened your Wix dashboard, gone into catalog and categories, adjusted the order by dragging and dropping, and saved your changes. Repeat this for any other categories you use to keep your store fresh and focused. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.